Hello everyone, I hope so you are good at home and enjoying the lecture series. So now I am going to be start today the first lecture series of the class 10th mathematics. So standard is 10th, chapter name is polynomial and this is the chapter number 3rd. How can we understand this type of topics? So in mathematics, especially here I am going to be do some different things. First I will discuss whole chapter, okay, and then I will discuss the formulas, how they came, and thirdly I will discuss different exercise questions and their solutions, okay. So chapter number 3rd, polynomial, class 10, and the subject is mathematics, okay. So topics to be covered. Number 1, I am going to be just introduce this chapter, and number 2, I am going to be talk about the exercise number 3.1. Today we are going to be cover exercise number 3.1. So let's try to be understand. First we are going to be talk about what do you mean by polynomial. First we are going to be talk about what do you mean by polynomial. So there are two terms by which we are going to be talk about. This is poly and another word is mere, okay, polynomial. So what do you mean by this? It is called many, it is called terms, okay. So what is the easy understanding about polynomial? I can say that combination of many mathematical terms, this is called polynomials, but it is only just definition for understanding. Suppose I am going to talk about here x, another is x plus 2, another is x square plus x plus 4, okay, another is x to the power 300, x to the power 289, okay, and x to the power 217. So how many terms here? One term. It is called monomial. Mono means one term. Okay, only one term. How many terms? Two terms. It is called binomial. 1, 2, 3. How many terms? 3 terms. It is called trinomial. Or you can say that it is called polynomial. So what we implies that here also how many terms? 1, 2, 3. So it is also called polynomial, or also you can say that trinomial. So one thing you have to be clear in your brain, if the number of terms is more than 2, so we can say that it is polynomial. It is polynomial. So hopefully you understood the basic criteria: one term monomial, 2 terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial, or you can say that polynomial, and 3 terms polynomial or trinomial. There is a no problematic condition if the power is 300, 289, 217. We only just look towards to the number of terms, that's it. Okay, I hope so you understood the basic understanding of the polynomials. Now we are talking about standard form of polynomial. So what is the standard form of polynomial? So here we are going to be talk about standard form of polynomial. Standard form of polynomial. The standard form of polynomial is ax square bx plus c. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b are coefficient and c is constant and x is variable. X is variable. So let's try to discuss here the things in detail. What do you mean by coefficient? To increase the efficiency of variable is called, to increase the efficiency of variable, coordination of some values with variable is called coefficient. Let's try to understand what is this. Suppose I'm going to talk about 2x square, another is 5x square. So just give me the answer. This is 2x square. So which one is consisting maximum? So you can see that 5x square. How can you say that 5x square is more as compared to the 2x square? Because you know that 5 is more than 2 and 5 is making the what? Coordination with these variables and increase the efficiency of variable x square. So I hope so you understood this basic things. What do you mean by coefficient? So here a and b are coefficient and c is the constant. Constant means fixed value which is not going to be changed. So we understood standard form of polynomial. Now we are going to be talk about what are the formulas and how they came and how we are going to be use this type of formulas in different questions. Okay, so let's start here. So first we are going to be talk about here the easy things which is keep criteria of polynomial. First we are going to be talk about finding sum of zeros and product of zeros. So let's try to understand first what do you mean by zeros and zero. Zeros and zero. Zeros means you can also say that it is roots. Okay. Zeros means a polynomial which gives zero solution. It is called zeros. As for solution, zero solution. Okay. A type of polynomial which gives zero solution is called what? Roots or zeros. What is zero? A neutral value. Which will give no effect when added or subtracted. So here not we are going to multiply, we are going to what? Add or subtract in this particular polynomials. So hopefully you understood the basic scenario about roots, zero, difference, and also the basic meaning of zero. Now we are talking about the formula. How can we deduce the formula? In 7th class you understood factorization. X square plus, suppose I am telling you this is x square plus 5x plus 6 and I am telling you do the factorization. What you will do? X square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. 3 into 2 6, 3x plus 2x plus 5x. Okay, so you will take x common, this is x plus 3, you will take 2 common, x plus 3, okay, is equals to 0, and here you will take common x plus 3, and here you will take x plus 2 is equals to 0, and x is equals to minus 3, and x is equals to minus 2. So this is called roots, this is called roots, this is also called zeros, and on that particular behalf of this we have to be just form the formula. So let's try to be understand. Suppose this is alpha and this is beta, so we have to be find the formula. Suppose one root is alpha and another is beta. So what we will do here, first is alpha, another is beta, so we have to be just start with this 3 replaced by alpha, 2 is replaced by beta. So what we have to be just talk about here, alpha and beta, x minus alpha and x minus beta is equals to 0. So what we have to find out, sum of zeros formula and product of zeros, x into x, x square, x into minus beta x minus alpha x minus minus plus alpha into beta. So what is the common scenario? X square minus is common and x is